Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, Lexis Smart Grammar, Lesson 5 and 10 discussions. So, my dear students, open your this book, Lexis Smart Grammar, and we will go to lesson 5 and lesson 10. So let's see our today's class. Term annual, class junior 1, subject English, topic Lexis grammar, the Lexis expert grammar book, lesson 5, 10 discussions. Lecture number 7, no SW today, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, open your book, open your this book, Lexis Smart Grammar book, and then go to page number 27, lesson 5. This is lesson 5, okay? Am is are. So read and learn. The use of the words am is are has been illustrated with the help of the picture below. Color the picture. So you will color this picture. I am. After I, we put am. It is. You are. We are. He is. You are. She is. They are. I am greeny. It is a dragon. You are blue. We are greeny and goldy. He's pinker. You are blue and goldy. She's goldy. They are blue and greeny. So I am now showing you that where we have to put am is are. Let's see very easy grammar. The use of am is are. The use of am is and are. So if we find I after I, we have to always put am. Okay, next one, after he, she, it, we have to put is. And then last one, we, you, they. After we, you, they, we have to put are. So this is the thing, very easy thing. The use of am is are. After I, we have to put am. After he, she, it, we have to put is. After we, you, they, we have to put are. Let's do the exercise. Okay, now you can also see after I, we have put am. After it, is. After you, are. After we, are. He is. After you, are. She is. They are. So let's go to next page number. This is the worksheet. We will do the worksheet because this grammar is very important. Okay, you will go to page number 28 in a book. Okay, and we will do the worksheet. Look, complete the sentences with am is are. So as I have told you before, after he, we have to put is. So here he dash very sad. So he is very sad. Let me correct the thing. This will be we. Okay. So after he, we have to put is. Then I dash very tired. So after I, we have to put always am. Number 3, after we after I am very tired. Number 2. Number 3, we dash swimming in the pool. So we, you, they. When the subject says plural, we have to put are. So after we have to put are. After they playing with the ball. So our answer will be they are, because after we, they, we put are. Number 5, it dash a cute dragon. So he, she, it. After he, she, it, we have to put is. Number 6, she dash a tall girl. So after he, she, it, we have to put is. So she is a tall girl. Number 7, we dash dancing. we dash dancing. So after we have to put R, S, V, U, R, we have to put R. Number 8, I dash eating a sandwich. So after I, always we have to put am. I am eating a sandwich. Number 9, she dash a Goldilocks. So she is Goldilocks. After she, we have to put is. Now 10, they dash students. After they, we have to put are. Okay, let me read again very quickly. After he is very sad. I am very tired. We are swimming in the pool. They are playing with the ball. It is a cute dragon. She is a tall girl. We are dancing. I am eating a sandwich. She is Goldilocks. They are students. Let's go, my dear students. Let's go to lesson 10. Let's go and read lesson 10. Lesson 10, page number 70, masculine and feminine nouns. So read and learn. Masculine nouns. Masculine nouns are words for men and boys and male animals. So masculine are for men and boys and male animals. Suppose prince, king, father, son, lion, man, bridegroom, waiter, boy, cock. So these are the masculine nouns. So what are the feminine nouns? So feminine nouns are words for women and girls and female animals. So masculine is prince, feminine is princess, king, queen, father, mother, son, daughter, lion, lioness, man, women, bridegroom, bride, waiter, waitress, boy, girl, cock, hen. This is masculine and these are the feminine nouns. Next one. Here are some more masculine or feminine nouns of people. Masculine, brother, sister, emperor, empress, gentleman, lady, grandfather, grandmother, grandson, granddaughter, headmaster, headmistress, nephew, niece, uncle, aunt. So here are some masculine and feminine nouns of for animals. Fox, animal fox, male fox, vixen, animal cow, male bull, female cow, animal deer, male buck, female doe, animal dog, male dog, female beach, animal dog, male drake, female duck, animal chicken, male cock rooster, female hen, animal goose, male gander, female goose, animal horse, male stallion, female mare, animal sheep, male ram, female ewe. So these are our discussion, my dear students. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad times. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.